So what, assess that shot right there from 1 to 10.
Well, if I had to assess it from 1 to 10, I pretty much would just say that I made pretty good contact and it went a little bit further than I wanted it to go. My grooves really aren't that clean. That's my fault. I feel like it probably would have checked up a little bit more.
Right.
Otherwise, and plus this is the practice green. It's not mown perfectly.
So what club do you have there?
I have a 58-degree wedge.
You have a 58-degree wedge here, and that one I noticed that it went a lot higher and had not as much roll out. It flew almost all the way to the hole, and then less roll out. So what we're gonna do first of all, actually, is we're gonna grab a less lofted club.
Okay. Looks like we're grabbing a less lofted club.
We're gonna use your 54, just
Alright.
because we're.
Now, would you normally hit
Yes.
a 58-degree year?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
It's just the club that I feel the most comfortable with. I feel like I can hit those higher shots, the lower shots, I can hit all of it with my 58. I just feel the most comfortable and the most confident with the wedge, even though that I know that the 54 may be the best
Okay.
place sometimes.
Perfect. So that's a preference thing.
Yes.
It's a preference. So we're gonna actually use your 58 for this.
Okay.
So what I can see is that you're not exactly getting all the way through the shot. You're kind of holding back a little bit. Do you normally hit your chip shots a little heavy?
Not necessarily. I like
Not
to use the
necessarily.
bounce, but they're not usually heavy.
Okay. So one thing you can do that will definitely help you here, and I'll demonstrate, is when you swing through the ball, you always want to make sure that club's pointing right at the target.
Okay.
And do that, and I'm sure you'll notice you'll get them a lot closer. So let's see you try that, just like that there, with using the bounce like you said. I like that, and just really try to focus on swinging the club towards the target on this.
Okay.